Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about Excel interfaces. Before starting, we'll start with what is Microsoft Excel. It is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It is used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing the data using columns and rows. And what it offers, like the features like calculations, charting, and pivot tables. What are the key features and capabilities of Excel? That is like spreadsheet interface, calculations and formulas, charting and graphing, pivot tables. Then more like into my macro programming, where it has been used, like the common uses where Excel sheets been used, that is like data analysis, financial modeling, accounting and finance, project management, education, etc. Nowadays, like Excel is a part of Microsoft 365 suite, offering the cloud storage, collaboration features, and access across the multiple devices. Let's start with the what identifying the parts of the screen. The Excel window, this is the below diagram. Let's do it a little more here. Yeah. So this grid provides convenient workspace where you can enter, manage your data, and surrounding the worksheet window, there are several commands and interfaces where each of which allows you to receive information about. Now, let's see a very quick like parts of Excel window, worksheet control buttons, where the work controls buttons allow you to minimize, maximize the restore and or close the worksheet. Then we have the formula bar. This is the formula bar where the formula bar allows you to enter and edit the data in the worksheet. Then we have the worksheet. This is worksheet window where the user contains the open and active worksheet window. It like it can be moved, and this is like overall it's saying. So we can minimize, maximize, move, or do the sizing of the window. Then we these are the scroll bars where the vertical and the horizontal scroll bars enable you to move worksheet. Okay. Then we have ribbon. What are ribbons? These are ribbons like this one. So ribbons is designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. Then commands are basically organized in logical groups, which are collectively together using tabs. So each tab relates like a typical type of activity. For example, writing or laying out of the uh, page. Then we will continue with the title bar. This is the title bar where the title bar contains the name of the application, active file. These are. So next one is sheet tabs. So this is sheet tab where you can make like one number of sheets, worksheets we can say, where this is worksheet. You can switch between like if I make if I click on this plus, then it will make sheet two also. So we can work on multiple sheet and you can switch the sheets in between. Then we have quick access toolbar. This first one is quick access toolbar where uh, it is a customized toolbar that contains set of commands that are independent of the tab and that is currently displayed. You can make quick access toolbar from one of the two possible locations, and you can add buttons that represent commands to quick access toolbar. So this is something like I want to tell you about the what is the structure of the Excel sheet. Let's continue with the next video. If you like our channel, like and subscribe.